Hi there, this is Maggie from Rock Paper Cup, and this is free audit of the website elizabees.com. I'm on a homepage. I really love the logo, the header area. The above the fold is optimized for conversion because I can see your product and your collections as soon as I land on the homepage, which is perfect. Message in the top promo bar can put some of the shoppers off because the first thing people notice is that you have got some payment problems, some payment issues, so it can be a little bit off-putting. So think about if you want to inform about this piece of information, make sure maybe to phrase it differently, to word it differently, such as we now accept payment by Stripe or by other form of payment that you accept. However, information that you don't take PayPal, it doesn't really make a difference to majority of your shoppers anyway. However, it is a bit of putting because it can give an impression perhaps you've been banned or something like that, or you had technical problems which cause some kind of security issues. So think about if you want to tell about this information, phrase it differently or remove it completely because I don't think it serves any purpose and it definitely can affect your sales. When it comes to the homepage, I would recommend starting with a hero image or sliding image is much more appropriate to welcome visitors, showing one of your products as the hero image or as the promo image instead of asking them to click and shop because you need stronger introduction. You don't want to just grab people and ask them to shop. You need to tell them what you're offering, what kind of unique things they can find here. Launch collection as a title is not SEO friendly. It doesn't really tell people what you're selling. So think about optimizing the titles a little bit more to make them more specific, more informative, and more SEO friendly. Also add footer navigation, so when people scroll to the bottom of the website, they can easily jump to another page. They don't have to scroll all the way up to find your top navigation. When I clicked on your social media links, they take me to a 404 page, so remember to check all of those links and open them in the new tabs. Also, all products rename it to shop because it's much stronger call to action. People will be more likely to act upon it, such as click and shop. The collection page also renamed the product to more SEO friendly title, as I mentioned before. However, the collection itself looks really nice. I would I would add more sub collections, so put home decor like cushions and home decor items in one sub collection, then cosmetics to another sub collection. It's much more relevant. It will help your visitors find what they want within few clicks instead of browsing through all of the items, which will help if you've got 10 pages for people to go through. So adding sub collections will help people to find what they want within just few clicks instead of clicking through 10 pages until they find the product they want to buy. But the product page looks great. Customer reviews, no reviews yet. You can move it to the bottom of the page and move the add to cart button higher on the page. So it's the product title, then quantities and add to cart. There's small typos, so make sure to check all of those little details. They can also affect sales. And add stronger and longer product descriptions. They can improve your SEO and improve your sales as well. Your SEO is 42 out of 100, which is definitely room for improvement. The Google snippet is not optimized, so remember to optimize it. Add more details to stand out in the search results. You are missing H1 tag, which is the most important, and you don't have all the tags in the right order. Work on your keyword consistency to rank for the best performing keywords for your niche. And also add more written content such as blog posts, optimize images with SEO-friendly alt tags, and make sure that your URLs are shorter and SEO-friendly as well. And your website is quite slow. It loads in over 3 seconds, which is definitely bad for the conversion for SEO. Normally, Shopify websites now loads in under 1 second. This is the new norm. So this is what people are expecting. People are getting used to now. So there are certain issues that are affecting your loading speed, which can definitely affect your position in Google and sales. People are not likely to wait over 3 seconds for each page to load. I hope you liked this audit. If you did, please leave a positive review on my Trustpilot profile. The link is in the email. And if you would like to learn how to fix any of the issues mentioned in the audit, how to improve your conversion rate, how to get more traffic and convert more visitors into paying customers, please book a free chat. This 15-minute non-obligation chat with a Shopify expert is available for everyone who booked the audit. So don't miss this opportunity. Ask the Shopify expert any questions you might have about optimization of your online business. Book the chat now. The link is in the email. Thank you so much for your time. If you like this video, remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel for regular SEO and e-commerce tips. It was Maggie from Rock Paper Copy. Bye-bye.